Now it's recording.
Everyone's pretty quiet right now.
There was a lot of action just happening when you didn't hit record.
Everyone was running all around. Screaming.
Yep. Maybe if I do this.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Nope.
Twitching.
Just a lot of twitching.
Are they running in their sleep?
Probably. Even though they can't run in real life.
They're pretending they can run.
They're just dragging themselves through their sleep. It goes so fast right now in the dreams. They're dragging themselves so fast.
This is working. I can't even see where it's pointing. Here, we're recording with my new computer, which is a really sweet computer. I'm just holding it over them, the screen, so I hope it's working. Look at the size of the feet, eh? Check it out. They have really big tongues. Really big, huge tongues. That's Oliver. I think this one's Bear. And that's Trumpet.
Trumpet. So what do we got over here? What are the names over here?
And over here we have
Sanders.
Sanders.
That's
Tug.
Is that Tug? It's
I
Tug.
think so, yeah. We didn't name. Oh, Dixie. We named the blonde one Dixie.
Dixie. Was that Stevie Wonder?
Yeah, that's Stevie. And there's only one without a name. That's terrible. Really? Did we name all of them but one?
I guess.
We need one more name.
We'll figure something out. We'll get back to you on that one.
Yeah. It's cute. So they're there. Look at the size of their heads. They're only a week old. It's amazing how big they are. I do? Like this? Let's see how it works. Can you press the... Oops, I'm gonna fall.